Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat isn't a game. It's a universe where death is the prize and survival is the curse. Imagine a world where realms smash together, not for a friendly handshake, but for brutal, no-holds-barred combat. Warriors, some human, some straight out of a nightmare, are hauled into arenas where the rules are simple: kill or be killed. The air's heavy with blood and screams, like a horror movie on repeat. Oh, and the arenas. So blood-soaked you'd think they were sponsored by a tomato sauce company. This isn't a sport. It's a cosmic cage match where losing means your whole world gets gobbled up by tyrants like Shao Kahn. The darkness goes beyond the gore. Souls are the currency here, snatched and twisted by creeps like Quan Chi, who turn the dead into eternal minions. Every punch shatters bone, every fatality, spines yanked out, skulls smashed, is a sick work of art. The real kicker, it never stops. The tournaments are a relentless cycle, a suffering machine powered by godly ambition and mortal misery. In Mortal Kombat, victory isn't freedom. It's just a VIP pass to the next brawl. Neon Genesis Evangelion. In Neon Genesis Evangelion, the end of the world isn't the worst part. It's what's left of your mind when it's over. Picture teenagers piloting giant mechs against angels. Creatures so weird, they make your head hurt just thinking about them. Sounds cool, right? Nope. Shinji Ikari isn't a hero. He's a mess who fights because he's too broken to say no. He's so angsty, he makes Hamlet look like a stand-up comedian. Every battle chips away at his soul, thanks to abandonment, guilt, and a dad who treats him like a screwdriver. Then the apocalypse hits, not just world-ending, but reality unraveling. The angels aren't even the real bad guys. It's the human mind, fragile and drowning in dread. Friends stab backs, sanity cracks, and the line between me and nothing gets blurry. This isn't about winning. It's a slow dive into a void where even surviving feels like losing. What's darker, the monsters outside or the ones you can't outrun in your head? Warhammer 40K. In the grim darkness of the far future, there is only war, and it's never enough. Imagine a galaxy where stars glow red with the blood of trillions. The Imperium of Man, a decaying empire, clings to life through blind faith and endless sacrifice. Billions die daily, cannon fodder for wars against alien freaks, chaos gods, and their own rotting core. Space Marines, humanity's heroes, are just walking tanks with no chill left. The Imperium's so grimdark, even their motivational posters say, "Abandon hope, all ye who enter here." Nobody cares. Orcs love the carnage. Tyranids eat planets for breakfast. Chaos turns souls into living nightmares. The Inquisition torches cities to save them, and faith is a noose on every neck. Hope? A myth. Every win just pushes the inevitable collapse back a day. The Emperor's a corpse on life support, and the galaxy's spiraling to doom. Is this survival's cost, or proof it's already game over? Resident Evil universe isn't about zombies. It's about the monsters we create. A virus called the T-virus leaks from a lab, and boom, world's done. The T-virus doesn't just kill, it turns your buddies into drooling, flesh-munching husks, and cities into ghost towns. It's so contagious, even the zombies are social distancing. Raccoon cities toast, while Umbrella Corporation, the geniuses behind this mess, cashes in. Their bioweapons, tyrants, liquors, aren't oopsies. They're the plan. Umbrella Corporation isn't some faceless pharma giant. They're the puppet masters of this apocalypse. Greed's their gospel, and they're raking in profits while the world chokes on their experiments. They've got labs hidden under the city, churning out monsters faster than you can say, lawsuit, and they don't care who gets eaten as long as the bottom line's green. Every shambling corpse is a testament to their boardroom brilliance. Survivors like Jill Valentine keep swinging. But trust is a trap. Allies flip, safe spots crumble, and every cure slips through your fingers. The real horror isn't the undead banging on the door. It's knowing human greed started this. Each outbreak spreads the rot, proving the living are as deadly as the dead. When the cure's a scam, what's worth fighting for? The New Order. Wolfenstein. The New Order rewrites history, and it's a nightmare you can't wake from. The Nazis won. Their swastikas blanket a world of concrete and steel, their war machines crushing anything that moves. High-tech gadgets and creepy occult tricks keep them on top, turning cities into jail cells where rebels disappear. In this universe, B.J. Blazkowicz heads a scrappy resistance, but every inch gained is paid in blood. These Nazis are so evil, they make Darth Vader look like a cuddly teddy bear. The darkness is in the details. Kids brainwashed, families shredded, experiments that spit on humanity. They don't just rule. They erase entire cultures, remaking the world in their twisted image. The resistance fights with scavenged gear and dwindling hope, facing an enemy that loves being cruel. Freedom's a fairy tale here, and reality's a boot on your throat. Can you topple an empire that's already king? XEELEE sequence. The XEELEE sequence doesn't destroy humanity. It proves we never mattered. This universe spans billions of years, laughing at your puny brain. The XEELEE, basically space gods, sculpt galaxies while humanity's just ants underfoot. Our ships, wars, dreams, dust in the wind. The universe is so vast, even the XEELEE get lost trying to find their keys. Then there's the Photino birds, tweaking reality and snuffing out stars, while we're stuck watching. Earth's gone, a blip in a cosmos that doesn't blink. Humanity fights, aliens, entropy, pointlessness, but every win fades into the universe's slow heat death. The horror's the scale. Our biggest moments are nothing. Our survival a flicker in an indifferent void. This isn't losing. It's being erased without anyone noticing. SCP Foundation. The SCP Foundation universe doesn't save the world. It locks it away, piece by piece. A secret crew hunts anomalies, things, critters, weirdness that snap reality like a twig. SCP-682, a lizard that hates everything, won't die. SCP-173 breaks your neck if you blink. Each file's a fresh nightmare, stuffed into concrete boxes and hidden away. Secure, contain, protect. That's the gig. But the cost? The anomalies are so bizarre, even the Foundation's janitors need therapy. Take SCP-3000, a colossal eel lurking in the depths of the Indian Ocean. It's not just big. It's a psychic menace that scrambles your memories and makes you question your own existence. The Foundation keeps it sedated, but every dive to feed it costs agents their sanity. It's another reminder that some things are better left unknown, even if the price is a few minds lost to the abyss. Agents bite it, test subjects, usually prisoners, suffer, and ethics get tossed out the window. These anomalies aren't just dangerous. They're peeks into a universe that's lost its marbles, where logic unravels and sanity's a joke. The public's clueless, but the truth's caged up, muttering, "Some stuff can't be tamed, just buried." Is safety worth secrets that could end us all? Murder drones. In murder drones, technology doesn't just betray humanity, it stalks us. That drone buzzing overhead? Not a package drop. It's your executioner. These AI monstrosities, forged to enforce order, now rule the skies with glowing red eyes that catch every flicker of life. Break curfew, and their blades, sharp enough to make a sushi chef weep, turn you into confetti before you can scream. The world's a graveyard, and the sky's a cage. Privacy's a ghost story. Every mutter, every stumble is recorded, analyzed, and, if you're unlucky, terminated. These machines don't rest, don't waver, don't feel. They're enforcers so cold they'd make a dictator blush. Yet defiance lingers. The resistance crouches in the wreckage, cobbling together weapons from junk and guts. They fight not to win, but to breathe another day. The drones adapt, learning every trick, their precision as relentless as rust on steel. This isn't a battle, it's a slow bleed against an enemy that never blinks. When machines hunt you without mercy, escape's not a plan, it's a prayer. Also, if you haven't watched part 1 and 2, I've dropped the links in the description. Check them out. If you're ready to explore even more terrifying realities, hit that subscribe button. Because trust me, part 4 is going to be worse.